Hey guys, welcome back to the Ball Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Bloody Marys.
For years now, we've been trying to create the best Bloody Mary. One of the best ones we've ever had was at the Bristol Renaissance Fair. And after years of trial and error, we have come up with what we believe is the best recipe for a Bloody Mary. Like all Bloody Marys, you're starting off with a base of your tomato juice or Bloody Mary mix and vodka, and then we're doctoring it up. From there, you're going to end up with a sweet and spicy, smoky, and well-balanced Bloody Mary. All right, let's get building. First off, we're going to start with our base, and that's going to be your Bloody Mary mix and your vodka. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of vodka and then 7.5 ounces of Bloody Mary mix. This is your choice. I don't use anything with too much flavor because we're going to be adding a lot to it. Now we're going to start adding our spices, and I do it as pinches and dashes. A pinch is about 1/16 of a teaspoon, and a dash is 1/8. We're going to start off by adding 1 pinch of celery salt, then 1 pinch of cumin, 1 dash of smoked paprika, 1 dash of smoked salt, and 1 dash of garlic powder. Now we're going to be adding our liquids, and first up is freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're adding 2 teaspoons. Then 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now I made these pickles in August, and we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of the pickle juice. Next up is our sweet and spicy Caribbean hot sauce we made with our Scotch bonnets that we grew. I'll leave a link for that video above, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of that. And lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Now everything's added to our shaker. We want to mix all the flavors together, so give it a good shake. Now that everything's mixed, we're going to prepare our glass. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of smoked salt and 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt. We're going to mix those together. Now to get everything stick, we're going to use a lemon. We're going to slice it right in the middle and use that around the rim of the glass, and then insert the glass into our salt mixture. Traditionally in Wisconsin, a beer chaser goes along with your Bloody Mary. Now, we often use a lighter beer. In this case, we're going to be using Guinness because it's not just a beer chaser, but we're going to float Guinness on top of the Bloody Mary, about 3 teaspoons. This is going to help cut some of the acidity from the Bloody Mary. And now this is a point where you really can go crazy. We're going to be adding our toppings. I know of a place here in Milwaukee that actually puts a whole chicken as a part of their toppings. Now our toppings are going to complement the flavor of our Bloody Mary. Now the toppings we chose have a little bit of heat and sweetness, and then help cut through some of the smoke. So we got our pepperoncinis and Kalamata olives, our cheese and sausage, our dilly beans that we got from our last trip to Door County, our homemade dill pickles, and our homemade pickled mushrooms. And that is it. We're going to finish assembling and enjoy. This is a perfect combination of sweet, spicy, and smoky. I think it all complements itself, and it's just a punch of flavor. If you have any questions or comments, or think you would add or change anything, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, that's going to be it today, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. We'll see you soon.